Hello students, myself Deepika. Today we will discuss class 6th, chapter number 6, measurement and the motion. So first question is the answer the following question in brief. How does measurement help us in our day-to-day life? Measurement provides a standard for everyday things and process. From weight, temperature, length, even time is a measurement, and it does play a very important role in our lives. Next question, question number 2. Which type of watch is used to measure time intervals in a 200-meter race? Stopwatch is used to measure time intervals in a 200-meter race. Next question, question number 3. When do we consider an object to be in motion? If any object change its position with respect to its surroundings with time, then we consider any object in motion. Next question, question number 4. Name 3 different types of motion and give one example of each. First, uniform motion. Second one is the non-uniform motion. And third, circular motion. So, uniform motion, our earth around sun, this example. Non-uniform motion, vehicle on road. And circular motion, pedal of bicycle. Next question, state the difference between a periodic and non-periodic motions. So periodic motion is the motion in which the object move or repeat itself in a fixed interval of time, like earth move itself in fixed time 24 hours. Non-periodic motion is the motion which can't repeat itself in a fixed interval of time. Example, vehicles. Next question part E. Answer the following question. This is the long question answer. Okay. Question number first. Why does the measurement need both a number and a unit for its complete specification? Answer. A measurement needs both a number and a unit for complete specification, because if we just say 6, the other person will not understand what we mean. Hence, we have to use a unit of length. If we just say meters, the person will wonder how many meters. So therefore, we have to tell the number to express the right quantity. Next, question number 2. Why is a footstep or a hand span not used as a standard unit of length? Answer. A pace or a footstep cannot be used as a standard unit of length, because the length of footstep, forearm length and hand span of different person is different. Next question number 3. Radha was performing an experiment in the science laboratory. The meter scale that she was using to measure the length of a string was worn out between its 1 centimeter and its 2 centimeter marks due to overuse. So first question, she measured the length of a string by keeping its one end at 3.0 centimeter mark. If the other end of the string reads 92.8 centimeter, find the length of string. So firstly, find the length of the string. So starting point of scale 3.0 centimeter and end point of the scale 92.8 centimeter. So length of string माइनस हो जाएगा 92.8 में से माइनस 3.0 सेंटीमीटर, तो इज इक्वल टू 89.8 सेंटीमीटर. Next question, write the precautions to be followed when a meter scale is being used for measuring a given length. So first is the keep the ruler exactly along the length to be measured. Next, avoid using worn out portions of the ruler. Next, keep the eye vertically above the point. Next question is the question number 4. Explain the difference between rest and motion. Give two example of each. Rest and motion. First, motion. A body is said to be in a state of motion if it changes its position continuously with respect to its surrounding with the passage of time. Example, a bus running on a road, a flying bird. And rest, a body is said to be at rest if it does not changes its position continuously with respect to its surroundings with the passage of time. Example, a book laying on a table. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्टिंग्विशिंग बिटवीन rectilinear and curvilinear motion, rotation and revolution. So first is the rectilinear motion, motion along a straight line, car moving on a straight path. Curvilinear, motion along a curved path, motion of pen while writing. Next, rotation, the repetitive and nearly circular motion around an axis in which the object appears to stay on at the same position. Example, wheels of a swing machine. Next is the last, revolution, the repetitive motion of an object around a central point in which the position of the object keep on changing. Example, second hand of a wall clock. सो थैंक यू बेटा। नेक्स्ट हम लोग फिफ्थ चैप्टर की क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। ये आपके चैप्टर नंबर 6 के सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर जो हैं कंप्लीट हो गए हैं। ये आपके लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट दोनों क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं। सो थैंक यू बेटा।